Happy Ramzan to everyone. Today's video is all about short sentences in English, which we are going to learn in Tamil, Hindi, Telugu and Kannada. Check out this video. But before that, please do subscribe my channel. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. And without fail, comment me if you need any other video related to multiple language learning. Press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. Number 1. What next? In Hindi, आगे क्या? Tamil, அடுத்தது என்ன? Telugu, ఏమి తర్వాత or ముందు ఏమిటి? And in Kannada, ముందే ಏನು? 2. Are you mad? In Hindi, क्या तुम पागल हो? In Tamil, ఉనకెన్న పైత్యమా? In Telugu, నీకు పిచ్చా or నీకు పిచ్చి పట్టిందా? And in Kannada, ನಿನಗೇನು ಹುಚ್ಚ or ಹುಚ್ಚಿಡ್ದಿದೆಯಾ? Number 3. For whom? In Hindi, किसके लिए or किसको? In Tamil, யாருக்காக or யாருக்கு? In Telugu, ఎవరికి? And in Kannada, ಯಾರಿಗೆ? Number 4. I have nothing to say. In Hindi, कहने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. In Tamil, எனக்கு சொல்றதுக்கு ஒன்று இல்லை or ஒன்றும் இல்லை. In Telugu, నాకు చెప్పేదానికి ఏమీ లేదు. And in Kannada, ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Number 5. Say sorry to him. In Hindi, उससे माफ़ी मांगो. In Tamil, அவனிடம் மன்னிப்பு கேளு. తెలుగు, అతను దగ్గర క్షమాపణ అడుగు. And in Kannada, ಅವನತ್ರ ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳು. Or number 6. Help me. In Hindi, मेरी मदद करो. In Tamil, எனக்கு உதவி பண்ணு or எனக்கு ఉదవు. In Telugu, నాకు సహాయం చెయ్యి. And in Kannada, ನನಗೆ సహాయ మాడు. 7. I have work. In Hindi, मुझे काम है. Now in Tamil, எனக்கு வேலை இருக்கு. In Telugu, నాకు పని ఉంది. And in Kannada, ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ. ಕೆಲಸ is nothing but work. 8th one. I have to go. In Hindi, मुझे जाना है. In Tamil, நான் போக வேண்டும். In Telugu, నేను వెళ్ళాలి. And in Kannada, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. 9th one. Ask him. In Hindi, उससे पूछो. In Tamil, ಅವನ ಕೇಳು. In Telugu, అతనితో అడుగు. And in Kannada, ಅವನನ್ನು ಕೇಳು. Number 10. Did you drink coffee? In Hindi, क्या तुमने कॉफ़ी पी लिया और क्या तुमने कॉफ़ी पिया? Both means the same. In Tamil, நீங்கள் காஃபி குடிச்சிங்களா or నీ కాఫీ కుడిచియా? In Telugu, మీరు కాఫీ తాగినారా or నువ్వు కాఫీ తాగినావా? And in Kannada, ನೀನು ಕಾಫీ ಕುಡ್ದಿಯಾ or ನೀವು ಕಾಫీ ಕುಡ್ದೀರಾ? Guys, please check out my other videos too. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, hit a like, share with your friends and family members. Let's catch up in next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host Kavita signing off. Bye bye and thanks for watching.